Viewers, today the Mobile Science Laboratory is presenting one more basic chemical reaction called single displacement. In this, what happens is one chemical reacts with another and one of the ingredients of that chemicals is displaced. For example, now I have here only two requirements. One is this blue colored product chemical, as you can see, very nice blue color, is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate has the formula CuSO4.5H2O. It means that every crystal of copper sulfate has got 5 molecules of water surrounding it. That is why it gives you a blue color. Now, the other material that I require is some shining iron nails. Right?
Yes.
So now what we are going to do is, we are going to make a solution of copper sulfate and then we'll just introduce a few nails into this, and after a while you will see that the nails, which are shining and grey in color, will turn reddish brown.
Yes.
Indicating that copper has been displaced. That means it has been pushed away from copper sulfate by iron, and the solution starts turning a dirty greenish yellow. So shall we do this experiment, Fatima?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what you do is introduce some water into it. That's right. Pour some more. More.
Enough, sir?
A little more. That's enough. That's enough. And now we will introduce some copper sulfate, making use of this glass rod. Please shake it up and mix it thoroughly.
We are going to make the concentrated copper sulfate.
Not a very concentrated solution of copper sulfate, just now, while you are doing that, I'll try to get a few nails outside from this. Okay, you can
the solution is ready.
That's all right. Now just leave them there. And now I am making use of these nails. As you can see,
Yes.
they are grayish and
Grey.
shining, and I will very carefully introduce it. Now remember, there is a tendency for us to pour it from the top. That may break the beaker.
Okay.
So the best thing to do is put it like this and gently slide it down. And we just have to wait.
Yes.
In a very short while, we will be able to see that the nails have started to change their color.
Yes, sir. Even the color of the solution is changing.
Color of the solution will also change. Just
Yes, sir.
keep it there for a moment. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take out all the copper sulfate solution into another beaker. And now we will be able to see that the shining nails have turned black, reddish black in color. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Now
So this hole is the copper which is deposited on the iron nails
exactly.
from the copper sulfate solution.
That's right. And because the copper is in a very fine film,
Yes, sir.
that is, it's almost an atomic size film, it is immediately reacting with the air and becoming copper oxide, which is black in color.
Okay.
And I'll show you by just
After removing it from the solution of copper sulfate, it is even reacting with the oxygen of atmosphere.
yes, you can see that when I pull it like this, you can get a shiny surface and black copper oxide is here. So this is called single displacement. In this, a reactive metal, that means iron, has removed copper from copper sulfate solution and become iron sulfate, and copper is deposited over here. See the difference in the color? It was blue, now it has become green.
Green.
This is our single displacement. Clear?
Yes.
Then I must thank you for my...
We can try out with many other metals
Yes,
also, apart
yes.
from the ions.
Yes, there are a few metals that can be used for displacement. If we use magnesium, we will be able to do the same thing. If we use zinc, we will be able to do the same thing. If we make use of aluminum, we will be able to remove copper from its solution. But if you take copper and silver, it will be copper which will be removing silver from its solution. Silver will not be able to reduce or remove copper, but it will be copper which will be removing silver. So this type of series is known as the electrochemical series, in which the element which is on the top is the one that can replace the elements which are below it. But the element which is below cannot replace the element on the top.
Yes.
So to understand this reaction, let us see the caption over here. We have copper sulfate, CuSO4, plus iron, Fe, gives rise to FeSO4 plus copper. This is a single displacement reaction, a very beautiful reaction.
Yes.
And we can understand so much of chemistry from it.
Of course.
Well, thank you for your patient hearing.
Thank you.